Hello everyone, Nino here at Fashion Premier Academy with a new announcement. I just released a brand new ebook called Fashion Design Beginner's Guide, How to Become a Designer. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a fashion designer but had no idea where to start, what to do, this is for you. This guide is your personal roadmap to stepping into the fashion industry with clarity, creativity, and confidence. This guide isn't just about sketching or draping or pattern making. It is a fusion of technical know-how and mindset mastery, because becoming a designer starts with who you believe you are. I walk you through the creative process, working with fabrics, building your brand, one-on-one coaching. So if you're ready to launch your dream of becoming a designer, download the guide, and the link is in the description below. Your future in fashion starts today. Download the guide now.